Today's book is There's a Bird on Your Head by Mo Willems. This book is really funny. I hope it makes you guys laugh. So this is Elephant. His name's Gerald. And this is Piggy. Oh, and look, there's some birds coming. Oh, look, it looks like he might sit on his head. Gerald woke up. Piggy, he says. Is there something on my head? Yes. There's a bird on your head. There's a bird on my head? That's silly. Ah! Is there a bird on my head now? No. Now there are two birds on your head. Gerald looks annoyed, doesn't he? What are two birds doing on my head? They're in love. Aww. The birds on my head are in love. They are lovebirds. Lovebirds. How do you know they're lovebirds? They're making a nest. Ooh, look, what are they using? Looks like they're using grass on sticks. Two birds are making a nest on my head. Why would two birds make a nest on my head? So silly. Birds make nests in trees, not on our heads. I'm afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head? Does Gerald have eggs on his head, Crickets? He does. 1, 2, 3. You have 3 eggs on your head. I do not want 3 eggs on my head. Then I have some good news. The eggs are gone? The eggs are hatching. Yay! Hatching! The eggs on my head are hatching. Oh my goodness. Cheep, cheep, cheep. They've hatched. Oh, look at those little baby birds. They're so cute. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head, and 2 birds, and a nest. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Well, where do you want them? Somewhere else. Why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them? Ask them. Maybe they'll listen to Gerald's words if he just asks. Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds, will you please go somewhere else? No problem. It worked. Bye. So Gerald used his words and the birds listened to him. Let's see, where do you think the birds are going to go now? Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Oh, they went over to Piggy's head. That's so silly. Oh, look at all those birds. That's so silly, but Crickets, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys later. Bye.